In the first 10 months and 7 days of the current fiscal year of 2024-25, remittance inflow has surpassed $25 billion, breaking all previous records even before the fiscal year ended. Previously, the highest remittance inflow, $24.77 billion in a fiscal year, was recorded in fiscal year 2020-21, according to Bangladesh Bank data. The use of hundi, illegal money transfer, has significantly decreased since the interim government took over. Also, the dollar exchange rate is currently higher through official banking channels. So people are no longer willing to take the risk of using illegal channels to send money back home. Moreover, the 2.5% incentive that was previously offered is still in place. This surge in remittance inflow has also eased the dollar shortage previously faced by banks.
নগদ পেমেন্টে 500 টাকা পর্যন্ত ক্যাশব্যাক আর লেনদেনে প্রতিদিন ডিপ ফ্রিজ এবং ঘন্টায় ঘন্টায় এসি টিভি সহ দারুণ সব গিফট।